afternoon. Welcome to Monday from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. No live stream today. We're going to do a regular video because we got a couple of special aircraft inbound today. Finally, we're going to get a visit by Dubai 1, the 747, a little bit later on today. It is an absolutely perfect day. Beautiful, very few clouds in the sky, sunshine, nice breeze, comfortable temperature. It's a beautiful day here in northern Ohio as Alaska 216 inbound from Seattle. Frontier Flight 1472, A321neo inbound from Phoenix. Kind of weird to be shooting with this camera again. I didn't have it in Dayton because of the weather. And then I did the live stream over the weekend using the Panasonic on the tripod, so it's kind of weird to be using this camera again. Of course, I don't have the tripod today because it's still in my wife's car. I used my wife's car for the live stream and left the tripod at that set in my truck. But it is a gorgeous day. Thank you so much for being here. Happy 4th of July to everyone who's watching. The Axel lowdown on this A321neo for Frontier. About a week away from regular 757s on the Delta route. So looking forward to bringing that to you. We are on pace for almost 11 million travelers out of Hopkins this year. Got the bunch of events coming up, the Pan American Games in a couple of weeks. I got some major soccer events down in Columbus. We got the Hall of Fame charters, football charters, all kinds of stuff coming up over the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that.
010 at 10.
Got a private jet inbound.
Golf, that's going to maintain 5,000. I'm at correction channel commander Charles.
Got a United Airlines 737 MAX inbound, flight 222. Yeah, inbound from San Francisco. Well, what's going to happen with Boeing over the next couple of weeks? The Department of Justice now wants to prosecute over the 737 MAX issues. We'll have to wait and see what happens. They're going to be a very, very dramatic time in the industry coming up. American Airlines Flight 2336, they are inbound from Dallas. 737-800. United Airlines Flight 1706, 737 MAX 9 inbound from Denver. Got a lot of people down here today. A lot of people excited for the 747 that's coming in later on today. First visit by Dubai 1 in almost a year. Last time they were here was just before the air show last year. So glad to see they're back. Should get a beautiful golden hour 747 landing for you today.
Runway 6 left, clear to land. Clear to land, 6 left, 5
Aer Lingus 9 Charlie Kilo inbound from Dublin. Southwest Airlines flight 4211. They are inbound from Baltimore. Frontier A321 inbound.
What is the monitor vertical speed mean?
Got a citation inbound here.
Sorry, so climbing RA? Earlier you said it was just to maintain what you were doing. Flight 3091, Roger, thank you, contact tower. 4881, contact tower.
Well, look at this, guys. We don't have this very much. We got some parallel runway action going on here. We got Frontier 3091 inbound on 6 left from LaGuardia, and Southwest on the other runway that's coming in. So we're gonna have dual runways here. I know if you're in a big city, you're going, what's the big deal? But here in Cleveland, we do not see parallel runways very much. American Eagle Flight 4568.
Little small to be the queen.
Yeah, 747 is about 10 minutes out.
Back 13, correction, back 3310, Bravo 7, maintain 5,000.
West Hawker inbound.
Or whatever that is.
Get up in the air. I have the Dubai 1 747 inbound.
Golf Alpha, cross 6A, Erie
310 Bravo traffic, you're 2 o'clock and 4 miles on the approach for Cleveland. 6 left to the Falcon at 1,700. Number 568 Tango, Tango, descend and maintain number 12, 12,000.
Before you need.
964, thank you.
Got a Falcon inbound, probably one of the Sherwin birds.
568 Tango, Tango, descend to maintain 8,000.
United Airlines Flight 1934, 737 inbound from Houston. You see the beautiful silhouette of the Queen of the Skies in the background.
Runway 6.
Wow.
60 contact Cleveland Center 135.1. 5635. Cleveland exit at 817, 3240, sending 240. Number 2 Mike Delta, clear visual approach runway 6, contact tower. Traffic 12 to 1 o'clock, 8 miles, helicopter 1,000, Bravo 1,000.
runway sweep.
25, 332 Echo.
Right?
797 Delta Lima, that traffic's now off the left side of your flight path, 11 o'clock, 3 miles.
So I can come over here to the other side to get some nice daylight shots of Dubai 1. He went over to A14. Not a very common sight to see a 747 at the gate here. They got to keep it overnight at customs tonight. Southwest Airlines 737 taking off. Frontier Flight 2252 A321neo heading to Orlando. Alright, that'll do it for today from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Love seeing Dubai 1 come in. We'll keep an eye on the schedule to see when they're going to leave. Right now I'm going to head home and get some dinner and go from there. Probably be up here again tomorrow or Wednesday, just finding out when they leave. They could leave tomorrow. They could be here for a couple of weeks. You never know. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below. Comment down below. Share with all of your friends. Hope you guys have a happy 4th of July if we don't talk until then, and have a great evening. We'll catch you next time from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Have a great afternoon, everyone.